Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the basics. Both your iPhone and the Drong Cast device are on the same Wi-Fi. Open the Drong Cast app now. Grant local network and Bluetooth permissions so the app can find the device. Once done, the app will scan automatically. Wait for the target device to appear. If it lists multiple devices, tap the one with the model name shown on the Drong Cast or the TV. This immediate setup gets you into casting fast. You tap the device name to pair. The app exchanges a quick handshake, so allow any pairing prompts. Next, choose Screen Mirror for full display or media cast to send only video or audio. Make sure to set resolution and aspect ratio to match your TV, for example, 16:9 or original. Also check audio output, iPhone audio versus TV speakers. Once configured, press Start Cast. Your content should stream with minimal lag if the Wi-Fi is stable. You finish by using on-screen controls to pause, stop, or seek, and by testing microphone or app audio if needed. If you see stutter, reduce resolution or switch from HD to 720p. This lowers bandwidth and often fixes lag. Make sure to move closer to the router for a stronger signal. If casting fails, restart the Drong Cast device and your iPhone, then reopen the app. That single restart fixes most problems. It resets network negotiation and clears stuck sessions.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.